Welcome to my channel. My name's Julie and today's video is all about my next quilting project. Recently, I just finished my second quilt and I have been obsessed and wanted to share with you all my next quilting project that I definitely want to start. I had these fun fat quarters in my stash and wanted to be able to use them in a way and make a beautiful quilt. I wanted to be as economical as possible and use up some fun fabrics that I had with only purchasing very minimal amounts. These are fat quarters that I picked up at my local quilt shop. They always have these cute bundles on the side that are either from discontinued fabric lines or things that they just don't have a lot of stock of. So if you're ever in your quilting shop, make sure to ask for the clearance section, and sometimes you can get these fat quarter bundles for a fraction of the price. That is exactly what happened with these. I decided to grab an array of them and really have some that are more solid, more patterned. I wanted an array of different. I recently went back to my quilting shop and decided to ask them if they had any pattern ideas for these fat quarters. And she had a ton of amazing samples, but this one really caught my eye. It's called Cloud 9 Pattern, where you need 12 cut fat quarters and a binding, and you also need a background color. For the background color, I decided to go with this beautiful white. It's kind of like an ecru with little tiny bits of flowers in them. And I love that you can see the little flowers because it really matches and pairs well with the fabric that I chose. I'm hoping to be able to finish this quilt and then get it sent off to get professionally machine quilted. This is something that I did with the first quilt and I really loved how it turned out. I just love the patterning that she did, and also with my small machine, I just don't think it's something that I can easily do. So that's definitely something that I do want to keep in mind when I'm quilting my next projects. I really want to try to get this done as soon as possible and get this, because in 2024, we are going to be doing an incredible sew along in my membership community. This is a fun twin stitchers community where we do have knit alongs for knitting, and we are introducing a fun sew along for 2024 where you can sew, quilt any project that you want, and we're all going to be going based on the same color inspiration. So our signups are going to be opening on January 1st to the January 4th, and then won't be reopening up again until April. So click my link below to be on the wait list for you not to miss out. This is all included in the membership, and you can just sew along. And if sewing isn't your jam and you would love to knit or crochet something kind of quilting inspired, you can definitely do that as well in this fun make along. So you definitely want to come and join. I'd love to take a moment and thanks today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. I absolutely adore Ana Luisa's jewelry. Right now they are having a 35% off, the biggest sale that Ana Luisa has, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. I absolutely adore their earrings, and usually sometimes I actually get allergic to my jewelry, but with Ana Luisa, I don't have that issue. They are incredible and they are made to last. You can grab all of these and my favorites down below. I will also link to exactly the earrings that I'm wearing in today's video down below. For the new year, I am planning on trying to take a week vacation from Christmas Eve to January 1st. And this is where I'm hopefully going to be vlogging all about sewing up this amazing quilt. This is something that I definitely do want more of. I want them all over the house, and I hope that you guys will come and join me along my quilting journey, sewing journey. And if there's any fabrics or things that you would like to see or unboxings, please let me know down below. And let me know if you would love to come and join our fun sew along. A massive thank you to today's sponsor, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you hit that link below the video to save 35% off right now. Time's ticking, friends. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I hope you enjoyed this little fun check-in with you all. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun videos, because brand new videos get uploaded every single Thursday on my YouTube channel. As always, happy knitting and sewing. Bye, friends.